Hello everybody, welcome to your channel. Today I am going to make video under interesting topic, that is variant configuration. Friends, variant configuration is very important concept for SAP. In SAP PP also we will see different scenario in variant configuration. Now, what is meant by variant configuration? Variant configuration means if there is complex manufacturing product or complex manufacturing assembly, so for creating that assembly we have different variant. So variant configuration allow user to configure material to that particular specification. So in this sheet we will see what is important master data for variant configuration. The master data include material master, class characteristics. In variant configuration, we will use super BOM and super routing. Then different dependency configuration profile, interface design. We will work on variant pricing condition and material variant. So friend, this variant configuration topic we will cover in series. Means this is not only one video, because this is huge topic. We will cover different complex scenario. We will use different dependency. We will we will work on different interface design options. So it's not possible to cover all the things in one single video. So I will try to make this variant configuration series, and in this series we will cover every single part in one video. So in future also we will see different video for this variant configuration series in our channel. So now we will start with master data. All of you know that in previous many video we created different master data. We created different master data for discrete manufacturing, repetitive manufacturing, and process industry. So at that time we covered material master, how to create BOM, then work center, routing and virtual. So here also friend, first we need to complete our PP master data, and then we will see what actually important master data for variant configuration. So first anyway material master. In variant configuration, it represents configurable material based on material type. So for variant configuration, we will use PERT means finished material type or KMAT configurable material as a material type. Then we will create class. Now friends, here class type is different. What is meant by class? Class means is grouped together multiple characteristics that define that material. So what is meant by characteristics? Characteristics is very important in SAP VC. It defines attribute of the finished product or configurable product. Simply, characteristics is numeric form, sometimes it's character, sometimes it's date or currency form. So characteristics show special property or attribute to that finished product or material. And these characteristics we need to use in variant class for variant configuration. So we will cover all this in our separate topic. Later we will use here super BOM, not normal BOM, but super BOM. Super BOM means what? It contains list of all possible components that make for final product or assembly. But here we use that product or produce configurable product. Means in super BOM we will use object dependency. So what is this object dependency? That also we will cover in our separate topic. Then here we use super routing. Super routing means what? Same like super BOM. In normal routing we use operation or different production process. We will use same here, but here also we will use different object dependency. Now next topic, is how to create dependency. How to create dependency. There are a lot of dependency we need to use for VC scenario. Dependency include precondition, selection condition, constraint procedure, and lot. So we will cover all this dependency. Then we will see how to create configurable profile. It control all the configuration process. Without configuration profile, uh, it's incomplete data for SAP VC. So we will create proper configuration profile, and in that configuration profile we will use different dependency. Then in configuration profile there is one term, interface design. For this interface design we need to use sequence of value assignment. There is one structure. So in our separate video I will cover how to use this interface design and their different tabs. Then variant pricing condition. It's also integration part, because variant configuration is not only PP concept. For successful successful variant configuration scenario, we need to require not only PP module knowledge but also sales, sometime finance controlling also. So pricing condition we require proper knowledge of FICO, means finance. So it's like it's added to the base price of the product based on selection configurable product. So we will cover that thing also in our separate video. Last is very important topic in variant configuration is material variant, because we will not create all the materials for variant configuration, otherwise it huge data. So simply we will make material variant. So what is the material variant? Is the common configuration that can produce and kept in stock. So we will cover all these things or all this master data in our separate topic. Now friends, I will tell you base concept of variant configuration. This is the master data, but under master data, what is the base concept of variant configuration? So in next sheet, here you can see topic wise base concept, means which topic we will cover first, which topic we will cover later, and under that topic what is the concept we use. So first topic is classification. Every configurable material we need to maintain classification view. So for classification view we will use concept as a characteristics and classes. So what is the characteristics, what is the classes, we will see in our next video. Then master data. Master data include material master, bill of material. Bill of material, here we use super BOM. Task list means routing, here we use super routing and production version. Then configurable profile. In configurable profile, we will see how we use configuration scenario, creating proper configuration profile, adding proper interface design for selecting proper tabs. Then object dependency. Without object dependency, we will not run any VC scenario. So which object dependency we use in which situation, that part we will cover in our that topic, that is object dependency. So here we see object dependency, which include precondition, selection condition, procedure constraint, etc. Then there are some dependency syntax that also very important, because when we create any single dependency like procedure, we need to follow some rule. We need to follow some rule. That rule also include arithmetic expression rule, operator rule, interval rule. Means any single comma, any single quote also mismatch, then there are few errors will occur. So that errors, how to reduce that error, because any single error happen, then our code will not run properly. So dependency syntax play very important role. So that part also we will cover in our separate topic, separate video, sorry. Then variant table, sometimes some data we need to fetch proper variant table. So how to create variant table, how to display it, how the value we need to assign for that particular table. That part we will cover in our separate video. Then object dependency, how to use in BOM task list, how to use this dependency in value assignment, in the different dependency precondition, selection condition in table sometimes. And very important topic is material variant. How to use material variant, and with the help of material variant, how we will run scenario end to end, means creating of sale order, then running MRP, creating plan order, creating production order, then increasing stock of finished good, and again outbound delivery. So total end-to-end scenario with the help of material variant we will cover in our next few videos or next few sessions. So friends, for this video we had cover concept of variant configuration and which content we will see in our upcoming video for variant configuration. Thank you.